ready to soar through the skies with the coveted Elytra. First, you need to defeat the Ender Dragon, the guardian of the End, which is no easy feat. Equip those diamond armors, swords, and bows. You'll also need a lot of arrows and maybe some potions like Slow Fallen once you've entered the End dimension. Locate the dragon's lair. It usually circles these obsidian towers topped with ender crystals. Destroy those crystals, but be careful, as they heal him once you've taken down the dragon. The portal to the outer islands will spawn. After the dragon's defeat, a bedrock portal will appear. Jump through it. This will take you to an outer island. Now, look for a small end gateway portal that spawns and appears as a black hole shape in the ground. After you pass through the first portal, toss a pearl into this portal to teleport to a new island. You do not have infinite pearls, so be careful here. Repeatedly use your ender pearls to find the distant outer islands that contain end cities. The end cities may be very far away, so be prepared to traverse long distances. As you explore, the end cities hold amazing treasures, and are made up of different tower structures as well as a ship. The main goal is to find the ship because it contains the Elytra. Prepare yourself for shulkers which will attack you with projectiles, and make sure you're ready to fight. Locate the end city ship for the Elytra, and consider it yours. Congratulations, you are now ready to fly. Remember to keep an eye out for valuable loot and build your collection. Have fun, and good luck.